Welcome to Wudkwency Artistry. Here's our latest free DIY project, the ArcServe Tray. You can download the PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link available in the description. This elegant wooden tray features beautifully curved handles, making it both stylish and functional. The curved handles are designed to add a modern and artistic touch, making this tray stand out. It's lightweight, durable, and perfect for serving drinks, breakfast, or even as a decorative piece.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.